I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security so you can change the real-time setting now. Press Windows key plus S and type Windows Security, then select the app. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account because standard accounts cannot change this setting. Once done, click Virus and Threat Protection in the left pane to access protection settings. This step gets you directly to where real-time protection is controlled, so you won't waste time navigating unrelated menus. Now you'll modify the specific switch that controls live scanning. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll to Real-Time Protection and flip the toggle to Off. If User Account Control asks, choose Yes to confirm. Be aware that Windows may automatically re-enable real-time protection after a short period or at next system update. That's by design to keep you protected. If you need it off temporarily for an install, plan to re-enable it immediately after. Finish by verifying the change and handling common issues. Check that real-time protection reads off and that the Windows security icon reflects the change. Then restart the PC if the setting didn't persist. If you're on a work or school device, group policy or a managed antivirus can force re-enable. Contact your admin. Also, third-party antivirus can prevent toggling. Make sure to temporarily disable or uninstall that software first. If problems continue, revert and consult IT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.